Are you trying to set up payments so that you don't have to pay out of pocket and charges for your ads just go directly to your client? Well, I'm just going to show you how to do that in this video. It's going to be super simple. Let's go. Okay, so now that you're in Business Manager, I kind of want to break down this whole process. So what you really want to do is have your client create the ad account themselves. That way, you don't own that client's ad account. You just need access to it, and Facebook makes that super easy, super simple for you to do. So you're gonna have your client create an ad account. I'll break that down for you. If that's a video that you want, let me know. Once that client creates that ad account, you're not able to request access to that. So I'll show you how to do that first before we get into setting up payments. So you're going to go to Business Settings. Then you're going to go to Add Accounts, hit Add, and now you're able to request access to an ad account. So your client would have already went through the stage of creating an account, and now you're requesting access to it. That account that they create, you're going to get a ad account ID. You ask them to share that ID with you. You type it here. I'm just going to put some numbers just to see something. So you'd put your code here. Let's say like 00000 something. Next, you want to, and I always go with this, get admin access. Hit here because it just gives you access to do anything. Share your pixel, create whatever you need to do. So you don't have to be going back to your clients and ask them over and over again to do stuff. Once you have access, you have access. And then it's not a real number, so I'm just telling you when you're done to hit confirm. I won't, but then you'll now have access to the ad accounts, and here you'll kind of see I kind of blurred some stuff out, but the client owns this, so I don't own the account. What you'll need to do though is add yourself to that account. I know you've requested it. It should just work, but sometimes the reason why you might not be able to do certain things is that you have not added yourself as a person to that account. So what you want to do is to hit the ad account, then add people, and then add yourself, find yourself there, and again give yourself admin access and hit assign. And now you've assigned yourself to this account, so you're able to make the changes and do ads on behalf of this account and all that. So that solves the problem of you requesting this ad account. So the part, what you really want to do is to have that client do this on their end. After they've created their ad account, they can go to ad account settings, go down to payment settings, and typically your client is just running their own business, so they only have one account. If for some reason they have multiple, this is where you'd find them. So you choose the account that you're trying to work with, then hit payment settings. And this client has some stuff going on already, so that's why you'll see something there. But if yours is brand new, you want them to go to add payment method. I didn't click it. Add payment method, and then if anyone, I think just about all of us have shopped online, you know how to fill out your form. So you add your credit or debit information. You can choose PayPal or a Facebook ad coupon, which I have never used. I'd love somebody to give me something like that. And then hit continue. So I'm going to cancel, but this is where that info will show up. You'll see billing, and one quick tip here, your current limit. I'd say if you plan to do spend a lot on your ads, like really extend your spending limit, because Facebook will start charging you in like little teeny increments, and you'll see like tons of charges from Facebook. So you want to make your spending limit huge from the start, because if you don't do from the start and you change it, which you will be able to change, Facebook will say they'll change the limit, but it's going to take a while. So it's best to do that from the start. Just make your limit huge so that at least you're not paying tons of teeny bills. And honestly, that's it. They've added payment info. Their info is here. you've already requested the account, so you don't have to like put your credit card info in. They would have done this on their end, and you can just start running your ads. It's just that simple. So I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please like. If you know someone that would or be able or want to use this information, please share. And if you like what you're getting and you like the content, please hit subscribe, get notifications so that you can see new videos every time they come out. That's it for today, and thanks for watching.